Alright. Pair of needle nose. Made in England. Looks like E.T. Edward Tom 74. Nothing fancy, but I don't own too many English tools. I think I got 3 pliers that are made in England. So I'm going to clean these up and polish them up, see what they look like. Wipe them down here in just a second. Looks like, hopefully it's just light surface rust. Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. The jaw's got a little bit of play in it. Not bad. Good usable pliers. I've got, like, from the estate sale, I probably got 50 cents in this thing, if that much. They're actually in really good shape. The cutters are excellent. The teeth looks like they're really fine. Yeah, look good. Let's go to the wire wheel and see what we get. Yep, after the wire wheel, made in England. Frank Tom 74, FT74, actually in really good shape. The only place there's any pitting is on the handle, just a little bit on the handles. I'm gonna take it over to the fiber wheel and see what it looks like on the fiber wheel. Okay, can't remember if this fiber wheel is 400, 600. Doesn't matter, I'm gonna run over it. Fiber wheel does a good job of, it's a rough polish, it's not a fine polish. So now, before I go any further, I'm gonna take the Dremel and clean up down in here just a little bit. Shouldn't be too big a deal. Now I'm going to polish. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I cleaned it up pretty good. I'm going to put heat shrink tubing on the handles because I don't like these handles are too skinny and small. The grip feels funny. So, my tools, my rules. I'm covering it with heat shrink tubing. Oh, no power. There it goes. I think I like the black anyways. I may put another coat on. Hang on, let me see what I got. Well, I don't have any more of this size. I've got larger and smaller. And I don't want to waste the large stuff. One, it may not shrink down enough. I don't know if it's 3-to-1 or 4-to-1. Doesn't matter. I'll finish it like this, and then if it feels uncomfortable, feels like it needs to be thicker, I'll put another coat on. Actually, it feels pretty good. Let me go to the fiber wheel and want to clean up the ends just a little bit. Be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I cleaned the end up. I just touched it on the fiber wheel. You gotta go really lightly because this rubber comes off real quick. Made in England, Frank Tom 40 or 74, and I did a light polish on the top. The nose piece, I probably could have done a more high polish, but I don't see a need to. The cutter's in good shape. The teeth and everything is in good shape. They were just lightly rusted. With the grip on there, it's not bad. They're quite a bit smaller. Let's see. These are about 6.5 inches. They're okay. I don't know what I'll do with these. I might throw these in my spare toolbox I'm making for the truck. But yeah, I mean, can't complain. 50 cents. What I got less than that in it. So I don't own too many English tools. It's kind of neat to own tools from different places in the world. Quality is good. There's nothing wrong with it. Looks like it's held up just fine. And I wonder if FT means Fuller Tool. Fuller, I know Fuller Tools is Japanese, but I think at one time I saw something where it was Fuller Tool. And I don't know if Fuller had a plant in England at one time, or if they just, well, you know, they might have. And it may be a completely different company, because I know there's some companies around the world that use the same names. So I don't know. But I got a really nice, inexpensive, good quality steel as far as I can tell. Cuts wire. I thought I had another piece of wire on. Yeah, I got some stranded number 14 here. It cuts. Nothing wrong with that. So, yeah, there you go. For those of you that are starting out needing tools, don't want to pay a lot of money for them, find this old stuff like this. Junky, a little rusty. Put it on the wire wheel, a fiber wheel. You can do everything I did with a Dremel tool. And you can have a good little tool for very little money. This tool will last, you know, if I stick it in my little toolbox, it'll last my lifetime. It's not rusted. It closes and opens easily. There's nothing wrong there. Matter of fact, let's just drop a little drop down in there. The only thing I couldn't get very well was down in here with the Dremel. But yeah, can't complain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think. Would you wasted your time? And give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me what you didn't like or did like. And leave a comment. And for those of you that leave comments all the time, I appreciate it. I do read all your comments. Sometimes it takes me days to get to them. I just let you know now. I've said this before. I work a lot, especially this time of year in the summer. 14, 15-hour days, and they're long and hard, and I don't feel like looking at a computer. All I want to do is shower, eat, and sleep. So I have to work. So anyways, I appreciate it though when you do comment. I thank you very much. All right, all. Subscribe if you like. Thanks now.